Heavy snowfall across Kashmir, and especially if you talk of Srinagar, season's first snow spell has brought relief from extreme dry cold conditions. Kashmir was in the grip of extreme dry cold with temperatures plummeting to -7-8 in Srinagar. And now, since there has been a snow spell, but again, as the weather clears, as the skies become blue, minus temperatures are here again, and for the next 2 days there is an advisory as far as IMD is concerned, because this ice which is supposed to be, or snow which is supposed to be soft, will become hard, it will become slippery. Now, just to give you an indication, I'll tell Tariq to zoom in. As you can see, this has already become hard because night temperatures were below zero, and if you talk of the next 2 days, these temperatures are going to fall further. So this will become black ice, absolutely slippery. As you can see, this is very hard right now, and this obviously means that the roads are going to be very slippery. Already we're seeing accidents as far as Kashmir is concerned. There was an accident in Athwatu, tourist destination of Bandipora, where a Thar vehicle SUV driver lost control negotiating these icy roads. It fell into a stream. Though 2 people who were in that vehicle were lucky to survive with minor injuries, but there was damage to the vehicle. Now, similar accident reports coming in from Gulmarg, Pahalgam. So obviously there is an advisory as far as government is concerned. Traffic department telling people to ensure that if they want to go to mountainous belts, enjoy the New Year holidays, they need to have the right vehicle. They need to have 4x4 vehicles fitted with snow chains, means chains that can negotiate these slippery roads and ensure that people stay safe. So that's the kind of advisory. And also importantly, if you talk of the next few days, starting from 3rd, that is first week of January, another major western disturbance is Jammu Kashmir bound, under the influence of which Kashmir will see heavy snowfall once again. Places like Gulmarg could see bumper snowfall, and then plains including Srinagar could get another major spell of snowfall. Campus and Tariq Lone, Mir Farid, Srinagar for India Today.